Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make perfume slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make perfume slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shampoo, and I'm using this one by L'Oreal Paris. You guys will also need any type of perfume, and I'm probably going to be using one by Ariana Grande, either the Cloud one or Sweet Like Candy. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to take out my bowler plate, and I hope you like the Halloween decorations in the back. And I'm going to get adding the shampoo in there. And you want to make sure the shampoo is thick, and that will be the only way the recipe will work out well. So you can see that's how much I'm adding into there. Hopefully this focuses. And yeah. And I'm going to get adding in the perfume. So basically the perfume is kind of like the activator, or like the borax or laundry detergent. So I'm going to get adding in the perfume. And I think I'll be using Sweet Like Candy. And look how cute this packaging is. And I'm going to get spraying it into the bowl with the soap. And that looks like enough. And this smells so good. And I'm going to get mixing it up. And that looks like just enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the freezer for about an hour to 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take this out, mix it up, and see how it's working, and I'll show you guys that when it's done. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and you can see a lot of bubbles are forming on the top because I actually mixed it when it first came out. And you can see this worked really well. The color is really weird. The soap was kind of like a light yellow tone. I feel like the perfume added some color into it. But it actually made a really weird slime-like consistency. I hope you guys can see this well. Here's how it turned out. It's really gooey. It reminds me of like goo from like Dollar Tree. This is how it turned out. It's super sticky still. So like what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this back into the freezer for another hour, and then when I take it out I'm going to be showing that on my Instagram. So if you don't follow my Instagram yet or any of my other social medias, make sure you go check that out in the description box. But this recipe was a big win-win. I like it a lot, and the perfume was a great activator for the soap. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys liked this. Also, Halloween is really soon, so I will be doing a Halloween live stream within the next week, and I will be answering questions. I might be playing Among Us or like Fortnite on there, so make sure you go check out my Halloween live stream. I will be posting all about that on my community page. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!